Take off the mask quickly. Have a Nitai Gauranga, Nitai Gauranga, Gauranga, Nitai Gauranga. Okay, I need everybody please. Now the last day, last arty, last program. Please, I want everybody to concentrate on what you are doing. Please, no side talk, no pajama talking. Okay? So we are going to do it time. Please, everyone concentrate. Please, everybody participate. Because we have some issues with the mic. So we are going to do Gaurati now. Means the glorification of Lord Gauranga and Lord Nityananda. Okay, there's some space in the garage, please. Everybody, I want all the problems at the back. Please, Mataji on this side. Majawo Sabro. Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityanamine Namaste Saraswati Gauravani Namaste Saraswati Radha
Rama, Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय नित्यानंद प्रभु गोविंद जय जय गोपाल Gopal Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopal Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopal Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopal Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya 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 Jagannath Jaya Jagannath Jaya Baladev Jaya Subhadra Jaya Jagannath Jaya Jagannath Jaya Jagannath Jaya Jagannath Jaya Baladev Jaya Subhadra Jaya Jagannath Jaya Baladev Jaya Subhadra Jaya Jagannath Jaya Jagannath Jaya Baladev Jaya Subhadra Jaya जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा की जब विष्णुपाद परमहंस प्रभुचार्य अष्टोत्तर शिष्यमत अभयचरण भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नामांतर जय दास ठाकुर की जय। कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री राधा कृष्ण गोकुलनाथ श्याम कुमार धाम की जय। वृंदावन धाम की जय। मायापुर धाम की जय। जगन्नाथपुर धाम की जय। तुलसी देवी की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। सामने भक्तवृंद की जय। जय जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा रथ यात्रा की। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा महारानी रथ यात्रा की। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा महारानी रथ यात्रा की। All glory to assemble devotees. All glory to assemble devotees. Hare Krishna. All glory to assemble devotees. Hare Krishna. All glory to devotees. Shri Gauranga Nitaya Gaura Premanande. Namah Krishna Padaya Krishna Prasthaya. Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharine. Nirvisesa Sunyavadi Bhakti So we are going to sing a single kirtan. So I want all the kids in one group, please. All the kids. Please in front here. Okay, ajao. Okay, Shreya, you
नरसिंहदेव भगवान की महाराज की बोल प्रेमानंदे।
हरि हरि Hare Krishna. Thank you all the devotees. Really a very blissful experience of this Rath Yatra for 4 days. And our 2021 Rath Yatra, Scott Milton Rath Yatra. Just over. Hari Bol. A simple question. Do you want Lord Jagannath again next year? Yes. Do you want Lord Jagannath again next year? Yes. Do you want Lord Jagannath again next year? Yes. So let's see. Let's wait and see if Lord Jagannath, Baldev Subhadra again are coming in our life for next year. Thank you very much. And now you have been hearing my voice all these 4 days. We have other members of the management in our Scott Milton. Just one second, one minute. I'm going to just give them the mic and just hear from them what is their reaction for this 2021 Jagannath Yatra. First of all, maybe I'm the most senior, but the next one is my wife, so I'm not giving any favoritism, but because he is the most senior, so I have to just give her the mic.
Hare Krishna everyone. I want to thank everyone, all the Mataji, and for Lord Jagannath and for the devotees of Jagannath. All those who have been serving behind the scenes, thank you so much. All the Matajis who have received Lord Jagannath with so much of Chapan Bhoga everyone has been making, thank you again and again. And I think I'm starting to feel separation from Lord Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra. And on behalf of everyone, we invite Lord Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra again next year, and again and again and again, and every year coming. So all the Prabhus as well, you have helped a lot. I thank Rani Mataji. So all the Prabhus, kudos to everyone. Thank you so much. And we forgot to thank all the kids who participated. I still have to give some certificates today that we missed. Shriya, Himangi, Nityangi. So in a minute.
Okay, thank you, Swami Ramkrishna Devidasi. So now next is Narahari Dev. He is from the senior management team of Scott Milton. Everybody knows Narahari Dev, right?
Hare Krishna. I'd just like to thank all the devotees. So many sleepless nights. I know some devotees have been cooking like non-stop for so many days. And thank you all for your cooperative mood, for coming together to celebrate this wonderful festival. Srila Prabhupada is definitely pleased with all your services, and I think the proof of the pudding is the final kirtan that we had, and where all of us came together and glorified Lord Jagannath. So thank you all very much, and like Srinath Prabhu said, we really hope that we can have this festival again and again. Do you want to have this festival again? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear. Do you want to have this festival again? Okay. If you want to have this festival, then you have to really chant loudly Jai Jagannath. Okay, we have lot of prasadam. You have to really chant Jai Jagannath. Like you mean it. You want Jagannath to come again. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Next is Next is Jai Murarpati. He's a single management in his community. With just a few words. Come on, don't be shy.
Gauranga! Nityananda! Actually, I am very thankful to Gauranga and Nityananda, because of whose mercy we got to see darshan of Jagannath. Because Sei Gora, Sei Krishna, Sei Jagannath. Without mercy of Gauranga, it's not possible to get Jagannath. Gauranga is Radharani looking for Krishna, and Jagannath is Krishna looking for Radharani. So both are meeting, that is our Rath Yatra. Nilachal to Sundarachal, or from Dwarka to Vrindavan. That's the mood we all should cultivate. I'm thankful to all of you. Seeing the enthusiasm of new devotees especially, I feel like I am very, very neophyte. Seeing their enthusiasm, seeing their mood, seeing their dedication, how tirelessly they are working since morning, since night, and how much they are putting their effort. It's really, how to say, contagious. And I'm contaminated by your transcendental association. Please keep it up. This is the mood. This is our bhakti movement. Like infection of coronavirus spread, this virus of Krishna Bhakti, it spreads. It spreads to the holy name. It spreads to the Harinam Sankirtan. And thanks to all my dear devotees, senior devotees, my comrade devotees, all the devotees. And please continue like this. And I am pretty sure if we continue like this, mercy of Radharani will be there, mercy of Gaurnitai will be there, Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra will be there, and we will have our own place. But we should have this mood till the end, till we die, till we leave this body. And this should become more and more purified. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Jayamona Prabhu. Now we have one of the person who has been working very tirelessly. And if today this is a very grand success, a big success, this devotees, this person has a big hand behind it. So let's hear from a big Haribol to Ashoka Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. It's so wonderful to see all the devotees here. After a year, we are celebrating some festival in person. So there is a long list which I want to thank, starting with the planning team and starting with our President Bhakti Yoga Prabhu, Srinath Prabhu, overall in charge of Rath Yatra, and then the planning team which worked tirelessly in planning this festival. Like there was so much effort went into the route planning, calling the devotees for Rath Yatra, arranging lot of logistics. You see this nice altar, right? So I would like to thank the team who built this altar. Kartikeya, Jagannath, Sanjay Prabhu, Shama Mohini Mataji, Shaligram Mataji, they worked tirelessly behind the scenes in setting up this Vrindavan. And every morning, you see, like we start Rath Yatra at 9, but the preparation starts at 6:36.
The day before,
yeah. So I want to thank all the Matajis who worked day before late night in making these wonderful garlands and doing this nice decoration, you see. So a big Haribol to all the Matajis. Then I would like to thank our team members who did this service for calling each and every one and making sure communication went fine, like keeping the guest informed about arrival. So we have Shyam Prabhu, Haribol. We have Kartikeya, Haribol. Sanjay Prabhu, Haribol.
Ankit, yeah, Ashoka Krishna.
Haribol. Next, I would like to thank all team members who prepared these nice packets, gift packets, which we distributed, the Mahaprasad along with a book. So a big Haribol to Murthy Prabhu, Haribol, and family, and Lakshmi Mataji and their kids, Haribol. To Vidyanidhi Prabhu, he came up with the idea of the star and the Haribol. And Samir Prabhu did all our printing work. Haribol. Yes, and also I would like to thank the pujaris and first of all the owner of the deities. Like these deities are from Vishnu Hari Prabhu and his family, which we visited last year. So that family is very, very supportive of ISKCON Milton. And Prabhu was saying when we went next time, he was saying we may do it in their farmhouse. He said we will do a big festival there. So a big Haribol to that family. Next I would like to thank all our pujaris who work tirelessly. You know how difficult it is when they come in the morning till afternoon, no prasad, nothing. And then it was very tiring. So Jai Honar Prabhu, Hari Bol. Shami Ram Chilla Mata Ji, Hari Bol. Nityananda Prabhu, Mahadev Sanghi Mata Ji, Srinath Prabhu, Hari Bol. So you see, like we were able to start on time on all days because of pujaris. Like they worked and set up and dressed up Jagannath Ji in time for us to. And then I would like to thank this wonderful devotees who accompany us throughout the Rath Yatra, Vivek and the head pujari. Hari Bol. A big. And Mataji, Wendy Mataji prepared single-handedly garlands for 2 days. Hari Bol. And then I would like to thank all our kids here. They've enthusiastically participated throughout the festival. So these kids are our future leaders, right? So I would like to thank everyone and our Mridanga players, Jagannath, Hari Hari Bol, Vivek, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Uday, Hari Bol. And today you see wonderful Kirtan, Keshav Prabhu, Hari Hari Bol. All the singers. Then I would like to thank all our Kirtanyas for wonderful Kirtan. Jeevan Gaur Prabhu, Jagannath Priya Mataji, Srinath Prabhu, Narhari Prabhu. So we have wonderful Kirtanyas throughout Shreya.
Oh, these two from day one they are playing.
Yes. A big Haribol to both of they were playing tirelessly throughout and with lot of energy.
All 4 days. Thank you.
All 4 days. Haribol. It's not easy. And I would like to thank the team who captured this whole event and brought it live to the people who could not be in prison. So a Vaishnavi, a big Haribol. Uttam Prabhu. Lakshmi Mataji, they all did the Facebook live throughout the festival. And then our camera, Sati Prabhu, he did the videography. Then our camera person, Brinda, Sanjay Prabhu, Munish Prabhu, who did a very wonderful job in taking all the pictures. Hari Hari Bol. And now I'd like to thank our logistic teams who made sure that when we reached guests, everything went smooth. So we have Venkat Prabhu, Sham Prabhu, Anjan, Suresh Prabhu, and who else we had? Murthy Prabhu.
Yes, he is the one Prabhu that
Venkat, yes, Sanjay Prabhu. Now I would like to thank our Rath Yatra drivers, like who are carrying the chariot. We had Kunal, Prabhu, and Sanjay Prabhu and Karthikeya. You know, it's not easy to drive almost like 12 hours continuously. So first 2 days Kunal Prabhu drive for
And also the co-driver. I am the co-driver, right?
Yes. And also we have devotees behind the scene working who are leading this, like
Thanking Google Map.
Google Map, yes. So who are leading it and making sure that we reach on time and then communicating. So Sham Prabhu, Hari Bol, he did this job 2 days. Today also he was leading it and first weekend, second day. And then we had Karthikeya, he did it yesterday. So a big Hari Bol too. And last but not least, our Srinath Prabhu overall. So a big round of applause to Srinath Prabhu. Without his guidance, I think we will not be able to make this festival a success.
Jai Shri Prabhupada!
And also our host for all 4 days, like morning, evening, lunch, evening. So we have so many wonderful devotees who are hosting the dinner.
Don't forget to go to the next 2 weeks, go to a gym because
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So now I give mic to Srinath Prabhuji.
okay, don't forget our dearest Prabhu, Satyanand Prabhu, who has been doing like 3 days. Thank you very much, Prabhu, for now you can go on YouTube and you go and each and every house that we visited, it is there. Except yesterday, right? But all the houses that we are visiting, so because of Prabhu, due to Prabhu that we can have that. And this year we are getting a live, very big coverage of Houston, Milton, Jakarta. So thank you very much, Prabhu. Big Haribol, Prabhu. So I know maybe you are missing some other devotees to sing, but with all our strength, with all our deepest sincerity, we are thanking each and everybody who was present during this 4 days festival. It was really, really wonderful, out of the world. If Chaitanya Prabhu, if Lord Jagannath, yes, Jagannath is there, but if Chaitanya Prabhu and Srila Prabhupada is seeing us, I think they should be proud of us, right? And we should be proud of ourselves. Yes, we are devotees, we are proud. Why we are proud? Why? Because we are the real servant of Lord Krishna. We are doing what Chaitanya Prabhu has said, that we should be proud. Prabhupada said that we are devotees, we should be proud. Yes, we are proud because we are following the Prabhupada. So thank you each and everybody.
Time for some certificate.
Yes, so now we are going to have some certificate.
Shreya. Picture, little Brinda is there. Brinda, take picture. Go, Lakshmi. Okay, so we are going to give some certificates to the kids who have been in our Krishna Fun School for some time now. And all the parents who are watching, if you have a kid who is between 5 and 14, we have a Sunday Fun School every week, every Sunday. Starts at 3:30. Right now it's virtual. And when the temple opens, it's going to be in the temple building. So please enroll your kids. It starts, this year it's starting, next year is September 5th. It will end till June next year, end of June next year. Reborn. So Shreya, come forward, beta. Now. Yay. Congratulations to Shreya.
Put it down, at least I can see your face.
Yes, Shreya. Where's Shreya? Shreya Pandey.
सबको ना यहाँ पे रोक लेना सबकी फोटो लेना उनको यहाँ पे सबको नीचे रखिए
सबका उनका घर पे मिल गया बच गया
मैं बोलूँ ओके इनको इधर को मैं फिर क्यों बच गए you will take it.
Next is Himangi.
Himangi Kalawa, ki jai ho! Let's go!
Look at me. Himangi. You want to go there?
And Nikyangi.
Jangi Gupta, ki jai ho!
Yes, come here.
Haribol!
Nikyangi, look at me.
Okay, thank you very much, Krishna Fun School, the teachers, thank you very much.
Or you can take a picture also.
Okay, all the kids. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath.
All the Matajis, please come.
Everybody make a fuss.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Can you guys move here?
Okay, everybody smile, please. Smile, Jagannath smile. Jagannath smile. Smile, smile, Jagannath smile. 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 Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Louder. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Jai Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. Thank you very much. Okay. Jagannath smile. Jagannath smile. Jagannath smile. Big smile. Big smile. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Jai Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. Thank you very much.
Now what? Prabhu is coming. Prabhu is coming. Yes, Prabhu is coming. Yes.
Come, Prabhu.
Yes, sit here. Yes, center, Prabhu, center.
Jai Jagannath.